Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time zone on capital.com account. To change the time zone on capital.com, open up the capital.com app on your device and log into your account. From the home page, click on the profile icon located at the top left and then click on Settings on the next page. Within the Settings menu, select Time Zone and go ahead and select from the list of time zones available. After you do that, you can change between a different time zone. If you want to set the time zone to automatic, you can toggle on the button right next to automatic and it will automatically detect from which time zone you are. Sometimes the time zone may automatically adjust based on your location, so if you don't see the option, it could be based on the time zone tied to your account's location. So that is how you easily switch between time zones in capital.com. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from capital.com. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.